Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Salt and pepper wings today. Really simple these and absolutely delicious. It don't take any time at all really, but yeah, super tasty. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. So let's get started on this. Very easy. In there I've got like 12, like a dozen wings, and we're just going to add obviously some salt and pepper because that's what we're doing, salt and pepper wings. So got teaspoons here. There we go. 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of salt. Going to do the same, I think, with black pepper. These are nice heaped ones. 1, 2, 3. I've got some turmeric here, which I like to add, gives it a nice colour. Going to go 1, 2 of those. And I've got some chili powder, optional. I like a bit of chili powder in this. I'm going to go 1, 2 of those. Very easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a glove on. We're just going to rub that around. So we're just going to work these spices in. Just take a minute or so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to then dip them into some cornstarch or corn flour, which by the way is the same thing, just a different name. And then we're going to fry these off. Very easy. Look at that, fantastic. Nicely coated. Okay, so I've got some cornstarch or corn flour here. Now I prefer the corn flour, but if you want you can use wheat flour or potato starch. It's up to you, but I just think the corn's a little bit better. It's nice and fine. Simply all we're going to do is grab one piece of chicken and we're going to get it in there, shake it off, put it on a plate. So let me get on with this. It's going to take me a couple of minutes to do this. And then we're going to get over and get these in some lovely hot oil. They're going to be delicious. So you can shallow fry these if you want. I've got like sort of 3 or 4 centimeters in there. What we're going to do is drop them in. Let's have a look. That's beautiful. So we've got hot oil, but it's not like super crazy. But as you can see, it's certainly hot enough. I'm going to cook these for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm going to be flipping them over every now and then. I'll see you in a moment. Okay, there we go. That's sort of 7 minutes that was. They're not huge, these wings, and they're looking absolutely beautiful. What we're going to do now is we're going to fetch them out, get them onto some kitchen roll or kitchen paper, get any excess oil from them. And I've just got a few more, so I'm going to do these in 2 batches. So I'll get on with that, repeat the process and do that, and then we can move on with these beautiful but simple wings. Okay, so there you go. So our wings are there, absolutely delicious. You can eat them just like that if you want. What we're going to do now is I'm going to fry these guys off, some garlic, onion and spring onions or green onions. Toss the chicken in, couple of minutes, done. Really delicious. Okay, so I've got some oil there, a little bit. I'm just using some sunflower oil. If you wanted, maybe use some sesame seed oil. That might give it a nice flavour as well. Let's drop our sliced garlic in there and our onion. I'm also going to add just a little bit more salt and pepper. On a high heat, as you can see and hear. Keep it moving. I'll be back in about 2 to 3 minutes. So wonderful. Okay, let's get our chicken back in there. Our green onions, scallions, or spring onions, whatever you call them. And then just like another 2 to 3 minutes, stir frying these around. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, that's done, super easy. I've just topped that off with a little bit of tomato and cucumber, a little bit of parsley. Really, really delicious salt and pepper wings. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do give us a thumbs up. Leave us a message, say hello, we like to hear from you. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.